is held by your teacher today, students? Well, before we start the lesson today, let's talk about the goals of learning. The goals of learning for our lesson today are: the first, the students are able to comprehend the usage of conditional sentence type 1. The second, students can apply the usage of conditional sentence type 1 in their daily life. Now, let's check the slides below. Conditional sentence or if clause. Conditional sentence is a sentence which is used to talk about a condition. Conditional sentence adalah kalimat yang digunakan untuk berbicara tentang sebuah kondisi, atau kita sebut dengan kalimat pengandaian. In conditional sentence, there are two clauses, the condition clause and the result clause. Talking about conditional sentence, there are some types of the sentences. Type 0, type 1, type 2, and type 3. Each type of this conditional sentence has its own function. But for this meeting, we just talk about conditional sentence type 1. Conditional sentence type 1 is used to talk about possible situation in present and future. Jadi, kalimat pengandaian tipe 1 ini digunakan untuk berbicara tentang situasi atau keadaan yang masih mungkin terjadi di masa sekarang atau di masa depan. For example, if I win a lottery, I will buy a mansion. Jika saya menang lotre, saya akan membeli sebuah rumah yang sangat besar. Jadi, masih memungkinkan seseorang menang lotre dan dia bisa membeli rumah yang sangat besar di masa sekarang atau masa depan. The second example, I will pass the exam if I study hard. Now, let's talk about the pattern of the conditional sentence type 1. The pattern for the sentence is if plus simple present, comma, subject plus will plus bare infinitive. For example, if you don't get the tape fixed, you will waste a lot of water. And the second, subject plus will plus bare infinitive if plus present tense. For example, you will waste a lot of water if you don't get the tape fixed. Jadi, ada dua format kalimat dalam conditional sentence type 1. Yang pertama, if diikuti dengan simple present di satu klausa dan klausa lainnya menggunakan subject plus will plus bare infinitive. Bare infinitive maksudnya adalah kata kerja bentuk dasar. Untuk rumus yang kedua sebenarnya sama, tapi posisinya yang dirubah. Subject plus will plus bare infinitive, dan di klausa satu lagi diikuti dengan if plus present tense. Makna dari rumus yang pertama dan rumus yang kedua adalah sama, hanya posisi dan penggunaan punctuation-nya saja yang berbeda. Well, students, here are some exercises for you to do. Please do it carefully. Fill in the blanks with conditional sentence type 1. Be careful in deciding the condition clause and the result clause. Well, students, in the end, let me conclude that conditional sentence type 1 is used to talk about a possible situation at present and future time. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see again in the next lesson with the different material. Goodbye.